This is my friend's Koenigsegg Agera RS. This is the key for the car, and we need to go and take a listen to this. So come on around, open up the doors with the button just underneath here. They swing out with the coolest of motions. Take a very careful, delicate step and seat inside here. One press of the button to wake everything up. Dashboard illuminates, foot on the brake, and a press of the button again, and have a listen to this. The sound of power. Madness.